Hello guys, it's the Awesome Salesman here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to ear rape a song. So for all you members out here that have been wanting to do this, I'm going to teach you. So pretty much all you're going to need is Audacity, which is a free program that I will have the link to in the description below, and a song. So in this case I'm using this Super Mario World song. So that's a normal song. So pretty much we're going to load up Audacity, and here we wait. So okay, so pretty much here we're going to do File, Open. Then we're going to find whatever we're going to use. So in this case we're going to be opening a song, which is right here. So we're just going to open this up in Audacity, and you can either make it from like before editing or whatever, and then like directly from the original. I honestly don't care. Either way, it really doesn't matter. I'm just going to click Don't Warn Me because it really doesn't matter that much. So as you can hear, so that's normal. So pretty much we're going to have to go to the wah-wah effect and just kind of mess around with it. It's kind of weird for me because I've only been doing this for a little while, but I do know that this has to be pretty high and this has to be pretty high as well. And then this, actually I think this has to be pretty low. This needs to be pretty high as well, so that way it doesn't change the song that much. You really won't notice that much. So as you can hear, it sounds pretty normal. It's going to be doing a little bit of this weird frequency thing. I'm thinking if I raise this up a little bit, it'll be fine. But what I do know is raising this also helps a little bit. So this is where the whole ear rape thing comes in. So this thing can make you go really silent, or yeah. So that's pretty much the end goal for this. So now if we apply it, you'll be able to hear what we're doing. So so you can do this with any song. I hope this was useful to you because I know sure as hell was to me. So I'm going to be doing a lot of ear rape songs from now on. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and if you like this tutorial, be sure to share it with a friend because they'll probably want to know this as well. So yeah, thank you.